Hello students, so we will pick up our market bag tutorial here at round 11. So here is what the base of the bag should look like. So it is pretty flat here at the bottom, but then these first few rows right here are starting to build up to make the sides of our bag. So now we're going to start in on our pattern, which you'll need to chain 4. And then double crochet into the same space as the chain. And now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and double crochet into that third one. Then chain 1 and do another double crochet into that same stitch. And that creates this V stitch. I'll zoom in for you. So again, you'll skip the next 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all into that same stitch to create the V. So you can see here how it makes that V, and you want to just repeat that pattern all the way around. And here, once you get to the end of the row, how you connect that row, you'll just slip stitch to that beginning chain, and now you will slip stitch into this chain space and chain 2. You'll place 3 double crochets into this chain space, and then you'll just continue doing groups of 3 double crochets in each chain space into the tops of those V's. So you'll be placing those cluster double crochets into these V stitches right there. So just repeat all the way around. And here is how that pattern will look as it starts to form. And then when you get back around to your beginning of that row, you're going to slip stitch into the center double crochet. So there's 3 there, you want the center one. And now you will chain 4, double crochet into the same stitch to create that first V stitch. And now you will continue doing the V stitch into the center of those double crochet clusters. So that V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the middle of those cluster double crochets. And here's what it looks like after 3 rows. Also, you will have to join another skein of yarn at some point. So I wanted to show you how that process works here too. So the easiest way is you're going to start the double crochet, but don't finish the last yarn over and pull through. But you will grab your new yarn and yarn over and pull that through the top of that double crochet. So you're going to start your double crochet with the old yarn and finish it with your new yarn, and then go ahead and continue working with your new yarn just to make sure your join stays. You can just tie it loosely, but then at the end of your product you will weave in those ends.